unbox this wireless Xbox headset with me. We already have the wired Xbox headset and we want to get one more, so we're going to give the wireless one a try. Now, the reason why we use the Xbox headsets is not because we use them on an Xbox, which we do, but because they're actually really great headsets, especially for the price. So here's the headset, and then it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable to charge it, and then it has simple instructions on how to connect it via Bluetooth. Now let's get into more detail on the headset, and I'm going to show you it close up in a moment, but first off, let me see how it fits on my head. And the greatest thing about these is how much they expand out. You can get it to a pretty large size, but it shrinks down to a size that fits well on my kids' heads. And what I love most about these headphones personally is how well padded they are, because I don't notice that I'm wearing these for long periods of time. So to put it on my head, I would make it a little larger, and it fits on great. Here's the microphone. I can move that where I want, and I'm good to go. So here it is close up. Inside the ears, you can see that it says left and right ear. It's also pretty obvious with where the microphone's at. And what's great about the microphone is you can have it way out if you're talking on it, or you can tuck it out of the way if you don't plan to use it. And then here is that extension. This is as far out as it comes, and that is how much it goes in. And then it just has so much really, really nice soft padding with a great durable faux leather on it. Now, to control the headphones, you have a few things going on here. On this side, you can spin this whole piece here, so the side of the headphone, to go up and down in volume. And on this side, you also can see right here, there's the USB plug to charge the headphones. Now on the left side, you have different controls. This is your on button. It's also the button you'd hold down to connect to Bluetooth, depending on what device you're connecting to. And then right here, this is how you turn on or off your microphone. So depending on what you want to do during gameplay, you can control that. But past that, they are just simple, clean headphones. They're really designed for you to easily adapt during gameplay however you want to use them, and I definitely recommend them. So if you're looking for a great all-around headset specifically for your Xbox console, the Xbox headset is a great way to go.